Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felistas Toili. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment on this video before we start. Today I'm going to be showcasing two beautiful Airbnbs at the Royal Suburbs by Tsavo. So stick around to see how beautiful this apartment is. I'll show you everything and indicate the price. You cannot afford to miss out. So the apartments have very beautiful chilling spots outside, so you can just relax and enjoy yourselves. They also have a very beautiful view up there at the rooftop, and they also have a restaurant. They sell food and drinks, and you can actually order and they'll deliver it to your doorstep. Yeah, that's how cool they are.
Why is it so hard to find time? feel like rain.
That is the road over there. There is the Thika road.
When you shine, all these clouds.
And the mall is right there. There.
I can't leave behind. I feel so stupid when you're down, and my ways have made me blind. Why is this so hard?
So both apartments are located again at the Royal Suburbs by Tsavo. It's along Thika Road, just behind the Thika Road Mall.
Why is it so hard to find time? Why?
They both have amazing hosts. The houses are clean, super clean, tidy, beautiful, well furnished. The first apartment goes for Kenyan shillings 2,172 and the second apartment goes for Kenyan shillings 1,800. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find you, I give you all you need. I know what you like. I try to teach you, but I'm gonna need some lessons. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of It's a very beautiful house and very affordable. You must come and check it out. I'll leave the link down below in case you want to book any of the houses that I've just shown you. And make sure you tell them I referred you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.